Gusto mo nang i-apply ang contractor's mindset, kaso ang iniisip mo, hala, mamahal naman ang mga 'to. Paano ako makakapag-outsource? Well, first off, congratulations kasi iniisip mo na merong budget that has to be in place. So, ang kailangan mong gawin is this. Step 1, alamin mo magkano ba yung rates ng mga contractors na 'to, mga freelancers na 'to, magkano yung budget. Ask for an estimate, clear yon. Now, the next step is you look for clients. So, pag sinabi ni freelancer na ang kanyang rates ay, example ko lang sa'yo, $500 for a 3-page website, you tell the client over here na, client, I have already found the team that will help you with the website. I will make sure that it's delivered. The quote is $1,800. Now, do you ask the entire money? Malamang hindi pa naman magbabayad yung kliyente ng buo. So, pag nagbigay si client ng $900 na deposit, you give outsource mo ng 250. That way, you still make a profit even from that deposit. And in terms of cash flow, hindi ka parang, hala, ano nangyari dito? Diba? Eto pa, 900 na hingi mo, 500 yung quote nito, 250. Tumakbo man tong kliyente na to, at least mababayaran mo pa rin ng buo, kumita ka pa rin ng $400. Diba? Pwede kang matuto. It's always best to make sure that you have your your ass covered. Kasi, ang ayaw na ayaw mo naman is pare-pareho kayong maisahan nung contractor na to. Always remember that people that you hire are very important. Clients come and go, but the people that you hire, always treasure them. Always naalagaan sila. Don't make it a reason na, wala, tinakbuhan tayo ng client, ayan lang na talaga nakuha. Okay? Always make sure that your people are paid in full. Kasi the effort that they put out also is full. Yun lang. Bye, bashers.